Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the guitar chord Dsus4. Dsus4. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of Dsus4, similar to the D major chord. To play this chord, you want to place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4, on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and that will make the chord of Dsus4. And you can strum strings 4 on down. Okay, and if you notice the sound, it sounds like it's got some a little bit of a tension on that. Really, sometimes this is used to transition into the D major chord that I taught you previously. In that D major chord, you just simply put finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret and transition into that D. So you can see, placing your little finger, lift off your little finger, and you know, you might find it easier just to go ahead to make the D shaped chord. Go ahead and place your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. It's already down, and then just put your little finger on this G note, the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and that makes it Dsus4, D suspended 4. Lift off your little finger, takes you right into the D major. So you can kind of see and hear that tension. Okay. If you'd like to learn how to play other guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this lesson. And if you're not a current subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscriptions so I can be easily found. And you'll also be notified when new video lessons have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.